Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more KCET previous year questions on the chapter trigonometric functions and inverse trigonometric functions. Mm, So any doubts if you have in any steps of the solution, then please write that in the comment section. And in any other chapter of maths, if you feel more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comment section. So that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions based on the previous year KCET exam will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here it is told that it is 12 cot square theta minus 31 cosec theta plus 32, that is equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of sine theta. So here, so cot square theta we can write it as cosec square theta minus 1. So therefore this will be 12 cosec square theta minus 12 minus 31 cosec theta plus 32, that is equal to 0. Therefore we can write this as 12 cosec square theta minus 31 cosec theta plus 20, that is equal to 0. So now 12 into 20, that is 240. Now 240 I can write it as 12 into 20 we can write, or so 240, its factors are 120, then 260, and 230, 15. So we can do 15 into 16, since why 15 plus 16 will give me 31. So therefore this we can write 12 cosec square theta minus 15 cosec theta minus 16 cosec theta plus 20, that is equal to 0. So then we can write this as, from here 3 cosec theta we can take as common, 3 cosec theta into 4 cosec theta minus 5 minus, so this will be 4 I can take as common, then this will be equal to 4 into 4 cosec theta minus 5, that will be equal to 0. Okay, so this will be equal to 3 cosec theta minus 4 into 4 cosec theta minus 5, that is equal to 0. So therefore cosec theta, that can be equal to 4 by 3 or 5 by 4. Since both the values are more than 1, therefore these can be the two possible values of cosec theta. So therefore sine theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta. So sine theta can be 3 by 4 or 4 by 5. So option 3 is the correct answer. Then here it is told the circumradius of the triangle whose sides are 5, 12 and 13. So 5, 12 and 13, it means that it is a right angle triangle, since why it forms a Pythagorean triplet. since 5 square plus 12 square will be equal to 25 plus 144, which is 169, that is equal to 13 square. So therefore it is a right angle triangle. So if we draw the circumcircle of this triangle, we have to find the radius of this circumcircle, which is called the circumradius. Now we know that angle in a semicircle is a right angle, so the hypotenuse is the diameter of this circle. So the diameter of the circle is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So therefore the circumradius will be half of the hypotenuse. So the circumradius that will be half of the hypotenuse, which is 13. So that will be 13 by 2 units. So option 2 is the correct answer. Then it is told to find the relation in between x and y such that if tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to pi by 4. So now tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that can be written as tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now that is equal to pi by 4, which is given. So therefore x plus y by 1 minus xy, that is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Therefore we can say x plus y, that will be equal to 1 minus xy. So therefore we can say that x plus y plus xy, that will be equal to 1. So this is the required relation in between x and y. So option 1 is the correct answer. The general solution of sin x minus cos x equals to root 2 for any integer n is. The general solution of this for any integer n is. Okay. So sin x minus cos x, that is equal to root 2. So this can be written as, so I can write root 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x minus 1 by root 2 into cos x, that is equals to root 2. So root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. Now 1 by root 2 can, so this will be written as sin x into this will be sin x into cos pi by 4 I can write, minus cos x into sin pi by 4 I can write, that is equal to 1. So therefore sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, so this is sin a minus b, so sin x minus pi by 4, that is equal to 1. So therefore x minus pi by 4, or if we express this in terms of cos, okay, so x minus pi by 4, that will be equal to 2n pi plus sin inverse 1, that is pi by 2, 2n pi plus pi by 2. So therefore x will be equal to 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. So option 2 is the correct answer. Now the value of cos 1200 degree plus tan 1485 degree, that is how much? Now 1200 degree, if we divide this by 360, if we divide this by 360, then we will get 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 1080. So this is 02 and 120. So therefore 1200 degree can be written as 360 degree into 3 plus 120, and 1485 degree that can be written as 360 if I multiply with 5 or multiply with 4, then we will get 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 12, 144. So this is 5 4 4 45 degrees. So 1485 degree, that we can write it as 360 degree into 4 plus 45 degree. So therefore cos 1200 degree that can be written as cos 120 degree also, and tan 1485 degree that can be written as tan 45 degree also. Now therefore cos 120 degree that is equal to cos 180 minus 60 degree, so which is coming in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant cos is having negative sign, so this will be minus cos 60, that is minus half, and tan 45 is 1. So therefore the value of cos 1200 degree plus tan 1485 degree, that will be equal to minus half plus 1, that is equal to half. So option A is the correct answer. Then the value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree into tan 89 degree is, so this we can write tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree, and now like this we will get tan 45 degree also, and similarly here I will get tan 44, here I will get tan 46. Now we know that tan 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to cot theta, which is again equal to 1 by tan theta. So it means that suppose for example tan 46 degree that I can write it as cot 44 degree also, which is equal to 1 by tan 44. So tan 44 will cancel out with tan 46. So if they are multiplied, therefore I can say tan 44 into tan 46, that will be equal to 1. Similarly, so here we will have tan 87 degree, then tan 88 degree, and then tan 89 degree. Now tan 89 degree is same as tan 1 degree, so they will just cancel, and it will come 1. Tan 88 degree is the reciprocal of tan 2 degree, so they will cancel. Tan 87 degree is again the reciprocal of tan 3 degrees, so that will cancel. So tan 45 is also 1, so the answer will come 1. So option B is the correct answer. Then we have to find the function f of x equals to root 3 sine 2x minus cos 2x plus 4 is 1 1 in the interval, in which interval it is 1 1, that we have to find. In which interval it is 1 1. F of x is 1 1 in which interval? So this f of x we can write it as be 2 into root 3 by 2 sine 2x minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 4. So this will be 2 into sine 2x into cos pi by 3 sorry, this is cos pi by 6, then minus cos 2x into sine pi by 6, then plus 4. So this can be written as 2 into sine 2x minus pi by 6 plus 4. So this is the function f of x. Now it is 1 1 in which interval? Now this 2x minus pi by 6, that should be from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Then only it will be 1 function. Since for sin x to be invertible, means sin inverse x will exist only in the interval if x is in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sin inverse y will exist if for y belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So therefore here 2x should go from minus pi by 2 plus pi by 6, that is minus 3 pi by 6 plus pi by 6, that is minus pi by 3 to 3 pi by 6 plus pi by 6, that is 4 pi by 6, that is 2 pi by 3. Then x will be greater than or equal to minus pi by 6 less than or equal to pi by 3. Therefore the interval in which this function is 1 is minus pi by 6 to pi by 3. So option A is the correct answer. Cot inverse minus root 3 plus pi by 6 cos of this, that is equal to how much, that we have to find. Now cot inverse minus root 3 cot inverse minus root 3 is it is pi minus cot inverse root 3. So that is pi minus tan inverse 1 by root 3, that is pi by 6. So that is 5 pi by 6. So therefore we have to find cos of 5 pi by 6 plus pi by 6. So that will be cos pi. Now cos pi is minus 1. So option D is the correct answer. Then we have to find tan inverse of 1 by root 3 sine 5 pi by 2 okay, sine 5 pi by 2 into sine inverse of cos of sine inverse root 3 by 2. Okay. So this will be tan inverse of 1 by root 3 into sine 5 pi by 2, that is, so this will be 2 to the 4. So 5 pi by 2, I can say this is 2 pi plus pi by 2. So this is sine pi by 2 only, which is 1, into sine inverse of cos of sine inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. Then sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this will be tan inverse of 1 by root 3 into sine inverse of cos pi by 3, that is 1 by 2. So this will be sine inverse 1 by root 3, that is pi by 6, into sine inverse half, that is also pi by 6. So this is pi square by 36. So it means none of the options are correct. None of the options are correct. So okay, then in the next question it is told the domain of cos inverse x is, cos inverse bracket x is, cos inverse bracket x. So now we know that if cos inverse y should belong to 0 to pi, y should be from 0 to pi. So it means here bracket x should go from 0 to pi. Now pi means it is 3.1416. So it means that bracket x can go from 0 to 3 actually. 0 to 3 greatest integer function. No, sorry. Here the output is minus 1 to 1. This is wrong. So y should go from minus 1 to 1. So bracket x should go from minus 1 to 1. It means that x should go from, so therefore x should go from minus 1 to 2. Here 2 we should not include, it should be less than 2, and it should be greater than or equal to minus 1. It should not be less than minus 1. So x should go from minus 1 to 2. So x should belong to the interval minus 1 to 2 excluded. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. The trigonometric, so here then here it is told the trigonometric function y equal to tan x in the second quadrant, y equal to tan x in the second quadrant. Second quadrant means from 90 degree to 180 degree. 90 degree to 180 degree. So you know that the graph of tan x is like this. It is from 0 to, this is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Then again it is like this. This is pi. This is pi plus pi by 2. This is 3 pi by 2. So from pi by 2 to pi means in the second quadrant tan x increases from minus infinity to 0. Increases from minus infinity to 0. So option D is the correct answer. Then you have to find the degree measure of pi by 32. So the degree measure of pi by 32, that will be pi by 32 into 180 by pi degree. So since we know that pi radian is 180 degree, so 1 radian will be equal to 180 by pi degree. Okay, so this will be this much degrees. So if we cancel it, then we will get pi will cancel, then 6 4 8s are 32, then 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So this is 45 by 8 degrees. So this will be equal to 6 8s are 48, 5 8s are 40, 5 degree plus 5 by 8 degrees. So now 5 by 8 degrees, I can say this will be 5 degree plus 5 by 8. Now 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So this we can write 5 by 8 into 60 minutes. So this will be 4 2s are 8, 15 4s are 60. So this is 5 degree plus 15 5s are 75, 75 by 2 minutes. So this will be 5 degree plus 2 3s are 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 7s are 14, 37 minute plus half minute. So half minute means it is 30 seconds. So therefore it will be 5 degree plus 37 minute plus 30 seconds. So therefore this pi by 32 radian, that will be equal to 5 degree 37 minute and 30 seconds. So option B is the correct answer. Then we have to find the value of sine 5 pi by 12 into sine pi by 12. So now sine 5 pi by 12, that can be written as 5 pi by 12, that can be written as that will be equal to cos, okay, sorry. So this can be actually written as sine 6 pi by 12 minus pi by 12. So this will be sine, so this is pi by 2, so sine pi by 2 minus pi by 12. So this will be equal to cos pi by 12. Since we know that sine pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So now therefore this sine 5 pi by 12 into sine pi by 12, that can be written as sine pi by 12 into cos pi by 12, which can be written as 2 into sine pi by 12 to cos pi by 12, that divide by 2. So this is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So this is sine 2 pi by 12 divided by 2. So this will be half sine pi by 6. So sine pi by 6 is half. So this is half into half, which is equal to 1 by 4. So option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the value of square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. So this I can write 2 into 1 plus cos 8 theta. So now we know that 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos 2x, that is equal to 2 cos square x. So it means that 1 plus cos x, that can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. So this will come this, so therefore 1 plus cos 8 theta, that can be written as 2 cos square 4 theta. So this can be written as root over 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2 into 2 cos square 4 theta. Now this is again 2 into 2 4, so this will come root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. Now from here again 2 I can take as common, so this will be root over 2 plus root over 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta. So therefore this, okay, sorry, this will be theta. So now again 1 plus cos 4 theta, now that can be written as 2 cos square 2 theta. So this will be root over 2 plus root over 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta. So this is again square root of 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta. So this will be root over 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now therefore again this 1 plus cos 2 theta, that can be written as 2 cos square theta. So therefore root over this 2 into 1 plus cos square 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta, that can be written as root over 2 into 2 cos square theta. So this will be equal to 2 cos theta. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told, let f of x equals to sine 2x plus cos 2x. So then, and g of x, that is equal to x square minus 1, x square minus 1. So then therefore we have to find g of f of x is invertible in the domain. So g of f of x is a composite function. So this will be g of x is x square minus 1. So this will be f of x whole square minus 1. So this will be sine x sine 2x plus cos 2x whole square minus 1. So this will be a square plus b square Sin square 2x plus cos square 2x plus 2ab, that is 2 sin 2x into cos 2x minus 1. So this will be sin square 2x plus cos square 2x is 1, so 1 and 1 will cancel. So this will be 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. So therefore 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, so this is sin 4x. So therefore this is sin 4x. Now we know that sin x is invertible. Now sin y I can write sin y is invertible when y belongs to minus pi by okay sorry, yeah, sin y is invertible when y belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So similarly here 4x also should be greater than or equal to minus pi by 2 and should be less than or equal to pi by 2. So therefore x should be greater than or equal to minus pi by 8 and should be less than or equal to pi by 8. So therefore x should be in the interval minus pi by 8 to pi by 8. So option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told if sine inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square plus cos inverse of 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square, that is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, where a comma x belongs to 0 to 1, then the value of x is so now if I take this as theta, this as phi, so let's suppose now, therefore let phi equals cos inverse of 1 minus a square by 1 plus, no, suppose we do this, suppose we do one thing, let us take a as tan theta. A is tan theta. So therefore theta equals to tan inverse of a. So now therefore 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square, that will be equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now that is equal to cos 2 theta. So therefore cos inverse of 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square, that will be equal to 2 theta, which is equal to 2 tan inverse a. And similarly this 2a by 1 plus a square, that can be written as 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now that will be equal to sine 2 theta. So therefore similarly sine inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square, that can be written as 2 theta. So that is also equal to 2 tan inverse of a. Now therefore the left hand side, which is sine inverse of 2a by 1 plus a square plus cos inverse of 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square, that can be written as 2 tan inverse a plus 2 tan inverse a, and that is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So therefore tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, that is equal to 4 tan inverse of a. Now again, if we take x as suppose tan phi, then 2x by 1 minus x square, that will be equal to 2 tan phi by 1 minus tan square phi, which is equal to tan 2 phi. So therefore tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, that is equal to 2 phi. So now from here phi we can write it as tan inverse of x. So this will be equal to 2 tan inverse of x. So therefore from here we can write this is 2 tan inverse x, that is equal to 4 tan inverse of a. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 2 4. So tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse of a. So x equals to again tan of 2 tan inverse a. So tan 2 theta, since tan inverse a is theta. So tan 2 theta, it is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So therefore x is equal to, so now tan theta equals to a. So this is equal to 2a by 1 minus a square. X is equal to 2a by 1 minus a square. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the value of this cot inverse of root over 1 minus sin x plus root over 1 plus sin x divided by root over 1 minus sin x minus of root over 1 minus sin x, where x belongs to 0 to pi by 4. Cot inverse of this will be, so root over 1 minus sin x, that can be written as, sorry, now root over 1 minus sin x, that can be written as root over sin square x plus cos square x minus of 2 sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So this is equal to square root of sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. So now here x is going from 0 to pi by 4. So here cos x by 2 is obviously greater than sin x by 2. Since x by 2 is greater than, or is greater than 0 and less than pi by 8. So in this range, in this interval for x by 2, cos x by 2 is more than sin x by 2. So therefore this square root will be equal to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. And similarly, square root of 1 plus sin x, that can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So therefore this can be written as cot inverse of, this will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by, this will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, sorry, this is plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, then minus of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, so this will be equal to sin x by 2 will cancel, cos x by 2 will cancel. So this is cot inverse of 2 cos x by 2 by minus 2 sin x by 2. So this will be equal to 2 and 2 will cancel out. So this is cot inverse of minus cot x by 2. So this will be equal to, so cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. So we know, we can say that it is pi minus cot inverse of cot of x by 2. Now x by 2 is in the range 0 to pi by 8, which is within the principal value branch of cot inverse. So therefore we can write this is pi minus x by 2. So it means option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the value of e to the power log 10 tan 1 degree plus log base 10 tan 2 degree plus log base 10 tan 3 degree plus dot 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 plus till log base 10 tan 89 degree. So now this can be written as e to the power log base 10 into tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree into here tan 45 degree also will come, and tan 88 degree, tan 89 degree, these will also come. So we know that tan 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot theta, which is equal to 1 by tan theta. So tan 90 minus theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So when they are multiplied, they will just cancel and 1 will come. So tan 89 degree will cancel with tan 1 degree, tan 88 degree will similarly cancel with tan 2 degree, tan 87 degree will cancel with tan 3 degree, tan 45 degree is 1. So this entire product will come 1. So this will be e to the power log base 10 1. Now log base 10 1 is 0, so it is e power 0, which is equal to 1. So it means option B is the correct answer. So hope you have understood all the questions in part 1 and part 2 of this chapter based on the previous year KCET exam. Still, if you have any doubts, then please write that in the comments section. And also please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload some important homework questions based on the previous year KCET exam, which shall be helpful for your KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.